Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about friction. Friction is the force that opposes the motion of a solid object over another. There are mainly four types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. So before going to the type of friction, I would like to explain you more about friction. Friction is nothing but a force which opposes the motion of an object. Okay, when two objects come in contact with each other, there will be one force acting on the two surfaces which opposes the motion is nothing but your frictional force. We are having, I'll give you a few examples of frictional force. When we are driving a vehicle on the surface, when we are applying brake to stop a moving vehicle, when we are walking on the road, when we are sliding on a garden slide. So these are all examples of friction. Let's see the types of friction. We are having four types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, and fluid friction. Let's see static friction. Static friction is defined as the frictional force that acts between the surfaces when they are at rest with respect to each other. A book sitting on a table, a person walking, a rubber band stretched around a book. So these are all few examples of static friction. Let's move to the next type of friction, that is sliding friction. Sliding friction is defined as the resistance that is created between any two objects when they are sliding against each other. Example, rubbing both the hands together to create heat. A child sliding down through a slide in a park. A coaster sliding against a table. A washing machine pushed along with the floor. So these are few examples of sliding friction. Let's move to the another type of friction, that is rolling friction. Rolling friction is defined as the force which resists the motion of a ball or wheel and is the weakest types of friction. You can see in the picture a boy is riding a bicycle. Okay, in that there will be one kind of force, applied force, and one kind of frictional force which is there on the tires. One is in opposite direction, so always the frictional force will be opposite direction to the direction of the motion. Okay, so we are having few examples of rolling friction. A moving car is said to experience rolling resistance on its wheels, rolling of the football or tennis ball or any other ball. Less low rolling friction allows tires of heavy-duty trucks to move more quickly. Car tires, golf ball, ball bearing, a ball which is rolling on the surface is an example of a rolling friction. Let's see another type of friction, fluid friction. Fluid friction is defined as the friction that exists between the layers of the fluid when they are moving relative to each other. Here, when we are talking about fluid, it doesn't mean only liquid. Fluid is nothing but a substance. It is a substance in which will flow thoroughly, okay, continuously. So it may be liquid or it may be gas. So in fluid, both gas and liquid will come. Stirring coffee with a spoon where the molecules of the coffee interact with a different matter causing friction. Sailing of a submarine with a streamlined structure is also an example of fluid friction. When we are swimming in water, that is also one kind of fluid friction where the swimmer, in order to move forward, pushes water backward. So these are the few examples of fluid friction. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching the topic. Learn well. Best of luck.